Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide what you are playing on Steam from your friends and family. If you want to keep your gaming activity discreet without losing the ability to chat, this quick adjustment in Steam will do exactly that. Start by opening the Steam desktop app. At the top of the window, look for the toolbar and click the Friends option. This opens your status menu. From here, select Invisible. The change takes effect right away. When you're invisible, you appear offline to everyone else, so your friends won't see that you're in-game and won't get pop-ups about what you just launched. However, you still have full access to your friends list and can send or receive chats just like normal. A helpful way to think about it is that Invisible hides your presence from others while keeping your own tools active. You can browse the store, manage your library, and talk to people who message you, all while looking offline to them. If you check the Friends window after switching, you'll notice your own status shows as invisible, confirming it worked. This is different from going fully offline. Offline mode limits certain features and can feel restrictive. Chat availability is reduced, and some social or connectivity features may not behave as expected. Invisible avoids those drawbacks. You still get the convenience of being connected to Steam services, you can keep downloads going, and you can chat privately, all while keeping your current game under wraps. A few notes for clarity. Invisible only affects how your live presence appears to others. Your gameplay will still function normally, achievements will unlock, and your sessions won't trigger visible in-game indicators to your friends. The setting typically persists between sessions, so if you prefer to stay invisible, Steam will remember that the next time you launch it. If you ever need to verify how you appear, your own status label in Friends will say invisible, while your friends will see you as offline. That's all you. Thanks for watching.